In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and share files in Slack. Sharing files directly in Slack is a simple way to keep documents, images, spreadsheets, and other project materials connected to the conversation your team is already having. Instead of sending attachments through email and losing track of versions, you can place everything right inside the channel or direct message where people are actively collaborating. To begin, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and choose the exact place where you want to share the file. This can be a public channel, a private channel, or a direct message. It's important to post the file in the right conversation so the right people can immediately access it. Next, go down to the message composer at the bottom of the chat. From here, you have two main ways to start the upload. The first option is to click the plus icon near the message field and then choose the option to upload from your computer. The second option is to open your computer's file browser. Locate the file you want, drag it into the Slack window, and drop it right into the conversation. Both methods work well, so just use whichever feels faster for you. If you choose the upload window, browse through your folders, select the file you want to share, and click open. Once selected, Slack will attach the file and show a preview card or thumbnail in your message area. This helps you confirm that the correct file is ready before you send it. If you'd rather share a cloud-based document instead of uploading a local file, you can do that too. Click the same plus icon and choose your connected cloud storage service, or simply paste the share link directly into the message field. Slack will usually recognize the link automatically, generate a preview, and help preserve the live version of the document so everyone stays on the same page. Before sending, add a short note in the message field to explain what the file is and what kind of feedback or action you need. If you want to write more than one line without sending the message, press Shift and Enter to create a line break. That keeps your message organized and easy to read. When everything looks good, press Enter or click the Send button to share the file. After it's posted, teammates can open it, view it in full screen, reply in a thread, or download a copy if needed. And if you ever need to remove it, hover over the file, open the More Actions menu, and choose the Delete option. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next